What is up, guys? We back with another video, man, and today we have the JEECOO M20 RGB laptop slash desktop slash iPad speakers. All right, now these are a set of inexpensive speakers that can convert into a soundbar, and these speakers are going to be a set that's going to just get you a little bit more sound out of your laptop and out of your iPad. All right, so shouts out to JEECOO for sending these over. I really do appreciate it. So guys, I'm gonna show you where you can get these from. We'll go through everything that comes inside of the box, and then in this video I'm gonna give you guys an audio test, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I would kind of set these up with my iPad, because that's what I would primarily use them for, because these will not replace my studio speakers on my desk. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so if you're looking for these, they on Amazon for $29.99, but they do have a $3 off coupon, so make sure you take advantage of that. All right, they are Bluetooth and wired. So no matter which way you want to use them, you should be good to go. Says that they do have a little bit of a crisp stereo sound to them, but you guys can be the judge of that by the end of this video. Some immersive in-game audio. I will not be playing a game, but I will give you guys a quick audio test, so you can drop a comment and let me know what you think of the audio. All right. Various RGB lighting. So these are the colors that it kind of cycles through and or will just kind of sit on. So again, it is Bluetooth. You can connect it with your iPad, your phone, or whatever you want to listen to these speakers through. So you got the long press, you got one click for the RGB, you got the double click to switch between the Bluetooth and USB, and then you got a volume knob as well. As far as the unboxing is concerned, nothing over the top, man, just a little bit of branding, just a little standard box. And again, like I said, these are very inexpensive. On this side, it just has a little bit of the specifications, and on this side, it just gives you a little bit of extra information about what comes inside of the box and stuff like that. All right, right here on the back, it just gives you all of the information if you want to pause the screen and take a look. But it does say long press in, turning it off, RGB lights, the volume, and so forth and so on. All right, once you open it up, man, you're gonna have two speakers, and they will be in like a little bubble wrap or whatever the case. And then you'll just have a user manual at the bottom. Now, if you want to pause the screen and take a look at this user manual at some point, you can do that as well. But you got a front and a back side of the user manual, and it just kind of gives you the directions on how to get these things set up and how to connect them to your laptop, PC, whatever the case. All right. As far as the build quality of these, they're very, very plastic, very, very light. They do feel inexpensive, so don't expect some high quality type of plastic or whatever the case. But they are very how could I say, they don't feel too cheap, but you can feel a little bit of the cheapness in it. All right, volume up and down, one knob controls everything basically, volume up and down, RGB and all of that stuff. And then on the bottom of each speaker, you have like this little section where you can connect these and make them into a soundbar. Now in this video, I'm connecting them here to show you guys, but let me tell you, it is very hard to connect them, and it is very hard to actually take apart. But I think you have to do it multiple times in order to get it really loose. All right, so for me personally, I didn't put it back in the soundbar mode. As you can see here, this is like the first time I did it, but I didn't put it back in the soundbar mode for the audio test and stuff like that. But I'm showing you an example of how hard it is to kind of get these loose, get them separated, and then it kind of smears or kind of rubs the plastic. But I think you just need to kind of take them apart, kind of do it back and forth, a couple times so that they can really loosen up. All right. So anyway, with that, guys, we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys a quick desk setup for the iPad and an audio test. That they threw that adapter on there, so if you're somebody who don't want to run it USB-C, you just want to run it USB the standard way, you can do that as well. But I'm pretty impressed that they put that in there. Next, you're gonna have an XLR cable, just a standard black XLR cable. And just keep in mind, if you already have an XLR cable, then you may not need to use this.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, I'll get my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.
Alright guys, so that was a quick look at the JEECOO desktop speakers powered by USB with a little bit of RGB for you guys, man. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you found it to be helpful in some way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man Jay, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.